Spartans! What is your profession?
The day you figure out what you're on Earth for is the day you're born. And I'm not talking about birth. Your mother has that right. But the day you find out your purpose is the day you become alive. That's the start of your life. That's your birthright. Once you identify who you are and you begin to see your individual talents and you become proud of yourself, once that happens, you'll get this feeling. And I can't describe it to you, but you get this adrenaline rush that's higher than any chemical drug out there. It's this feeling of absolute euphoria. Because it's something that's moving through you, something greater than you or I could ever understand, and you have to embrace it. We all have a calling in life, but you're going to have fears and doubts to follow this path because it's unconventional, and evolution in itself is unconventional. Progress towards this unknown, this quiet fear.
The most important element is for you to be able to do this, to be able to establish, most importantly, where you really are in your life today. Where are you? And where do you really want to go? What's going to create this extraordinary life? And to look at it brand new. Because some of you right now, if you continue the direction you're going, are going to be successful and unfulfilled, unhappy, and stressed. Because once we get, into a dream, then that dream starts to take on a life of its own. It gives us juice, it gives us energy.
There are those of you right now, you should have cut a CD, you should have wrote a book, you should have got in school and got that degree, you should have started your own business. There's so many things you should have done, but you didn't do it because you're scared. You believe that you said scared of what? I ain't scared, you are scared. You are scared, you're scared of failure. You're scared to make a mistake. You're scared that you're not perfect. And I'm telling you today, you ain't gotta be perfect. Are you hearing what I'm saying? You don't have to be perfect to get what you want, to do what you want, to have what you want, to be what you want. You don't have to be perfect.
And there's never a perfect moment to do something. You have to create the perfect moment. Because there will always be a more fun and comfortable alternative to that fear of failure. And if you fail in your opportunity to go forward with that choice, then you are slowly becoming a failure. Because if you fail in that decision, you just gave your brain muscle memory, more power, more strength to say no in that decision tomorrow. And the next day, and the next day, until you say, I'm not meant for this life. That the 1% who make it are just born with something special that I'm not. And the reality is, no. They're made from the same exact material as you. Flesh and blood. But it's what you choose to do with your material. And that's a choice. The day you figure out what you're on Earth for is the day you're born.